I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your plan on Rogers Online can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Rogers website and logging into your account with your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to plan options. Once logged in, go to the My Services section and select Change Plan to view your available options. Step 3. Review available plans. Browse through the list of available plans. Take note of the features and pricing to find the one that suits your need best. Step 4. Select your new plan. After deciding on a plan, click on the Select button next to your chosen option. Confirm your selection and proceed to the next step. Step 5. Confirm changes. Review the summary of your new plan and confirm the changes. Make sure to check for any additional fees or changes in terms. If you accidentally click the wrong plan, you can usually go back to the previous screen using the back button. Happy planning! If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.